In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a static website on Netlify. If you've already built a simple front-end project with your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files ready to go, Netlify makes the publishing process very quick and beginner-friendly. This method is especially useful for static websites because you can get your site online without dealing with complicated server setup or manual hosting configuration. To get started, head over to netlify.com and create a free account. If you're new to the platform, just follow the sign-up process until your account is ready. Once you're inside, you'll have access to the Netlify dashboard, which is where you manage and publish your sites. Take a moment to make sure you're signed in properly before moving on. Next, prepare your project folder on your computer. Your folder should contain your index.html file, along with any CSS and JavaScript files your site needs to run correctly. It's important that everything is organized before uploading because Netlify will use that folder exactly as it is. In most cases, your index.html file should be in the main project folder so it can be recognized as the home page of your website. After that, open your Netlify dashboard and locate the drag and drop deployment area. This section is designed to let you publish a site simply by dropping in your project files. You usually won't need to fill out anything complicated for a basic static website, which is one of the reasons this workflow is so convenient. Now drag your static project folder directly onto the deployment zone on the screen. Once you release it, Netlify will begin uploading and processing your files automatically. Depending on the size of your project and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. During this part, just wait for the upload to finish and for Netlify to complete the deployment. When the process is done, Netlify will generate a live link ending in .netlify.app. Click that link to open your newly deployed website. This is the public version of your site, so you can review it in the browser and make sure everything looks and works the way you expect. If something doesn't appear correctly, double check that all your project files were included in the folder you uploaded, especially your main index, email file, and any linked assets. But if everything looks good, your static site is now live and shareable online.